why don't you show us your car?
Oh, my Lambo? The old Lambo.
Yeah, how long you owned it for?
A year?
Yeah. Well, what made you decide to get a Countach?
Oh, you know, old school. Just wanted to go back in the day and be cool again.
Yeah, that's quite the retro seat you got going in there. I always wanted one of these cars. They're so small, huh?
They are, you barely fit in it.
It's like the size of Miata.
It's scary. Getting an accident in this thing, you ain't gonna survive.
No, there's no bumpers on this one.
Right?
They actually made them put on bumpers though in the States, right?
Yeah.
Like a big steel one on the front. This one doesn't have it. They ruined the look of them. All right, let's start her up. It's like an old car. Look at that window. Is that all it goes?
That's it.
I know, it's retarded, huh? What the hell? It sounds like a boat.
It does.
Look at that turn radius you got. 3-point turn. That's the show. Oh, good old Lamborghini Countach. That look though, that's got such a classic look. Look at that thing. This big old license plate holder stuck on the back. What are those tires you got in there? 315 15s?
Yeah,
no, 345s.
We got new ones over there for it.
Where?
Over by the tire machine.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh yeah, the huge rear ones.
yeah.
They're so funny. Little 15s.
That's it for today.
What's it do to 0 to 60?
I have no clue.
No clue. All right. Cheers.